Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite diesel trains. Thanks for following along. Choo choo. Here's Diesel, and he's black, and he's smaller. He's Take and Play, and Take and Play is another type of train that I have, but just smaller and a square magnet. Here's Salty, and he's battery operated, and then look, he can get broken and fixed. And then look, and battery operated, and he can move by itself. Here's Diesel 10. He's the same as Salty. But when he brakes, look, his thing go up and then loop something thing. And he's battery operated. Here's Mavis. It says the name right here. And then he's black where I put stickers on him. Here's Dan, look, he can talk. Well, he went in the water, so yeah. And here's Diesel. Well, he's kind of the same as Diesel 10 and Salty. He doesn't brake, but he's battery operated. Here's Sydney, and he's blue. And he has like a rectangular shaped face, and he's blue, and he has a little black on the top. Done. Thank you for watching my diesels. Make sure to subscribe my video channel. Thank you.